Hi, I'm Dr. Bodana Zazulak. This is your reminder to check with your medical professional before trying any new exercise. Everything demonstrated in this video is a suggestion. Listen to your own body and feel free to skip any movements that cause any discomfort or do not serve you, or take any modification that feels right. You know your body best. Discover your inner warrior in the serenity of nature to awaken your senses, promote clarity, positive thinking, resilience, nourishment, and balance of your body and spirit. Try this exercise to awaken your inner warrior to promote core stability and control of your body's kinetic chain, utilizing all the muscles of your trunk, arms, and legs. This exercise improves balance, posture, and full body coordination with emphasis on the neglected posterior chain or backside of the body. In addition to training the body, you will also train the mind to be present, focused, and in tune with your body in relation to the world around you. Experiment with variations for progression and modifications for all fitness levels, adding movement or exercising in water, still, deeper water for beginners, progressing to shallow water with current or waves to mimic the unexpected perturbations of life. Try picking up a couple rocks or hand weights to increase the destabilizing forces acting on the trunk and ramp up your core activation. Be sure to stay within your comfortable range of motion by honoring how you feel today. There is abundant evidence that our affiliation with animals, plants, seascapes, rivers, landscapes, and wilderness enhances our holistic health in mind, body, and spirit, and is invaluable for our journey to core empowerment. For more information on core holistic health and wellness, please refer to my book, Master Your Core.